Here we are on Bill's Avanti. I made a little bracket to go behind the window switch, so now it's not falling out of the very worn hole. And we've got windows that work. I'll put a couple pictures of this, what I did in this video clip. Next little thing I'm going to be chasing, why these don't come on when the door is open. So I took down the dome light here on the Avanti. And we have our ground. This is a positive lead in. Goes into the switch, out the switch, and then into the light fixture. So the way this is wired, and this is factory wiring, these do not come on with the door switches. I'm going to verify on the other side, but appears that that's how we roll. Alright, so we got the speaker all tight. You guys saw it and heard it. Got everything tightened up. Got the access panel in. Wes is going to spray this with spray adhesive and get the carpet back up where it's supposed to be. And then we're going to tackle this hot mess. Hot mess. Good usage of terminology. Automotive hot mess. We didn't do it, but we gonna fix it. What else is new? So Wes spotted this random ass old speaker that I never even noticed when I did the radio a couple months ago because I was on the other side. But you say that's gonna go bye-bye because that's not original. I'm surprised when it was restored that nobody noticed that. Alright, got the trunk all cleaned up and nice and put back together. Looking good. Gonna fix this weather strip because it's yucky. Roxanne, something about a red light. Anyway, we've got glove box light. Hallelujah. I had to run a ground, which ironically was the ground from that oddity speaker there. So I ran that, plugged it into the back side of the bracket here to ground on with one of the screws on an eyelet, and now we're grounded. We got light. Happy Bill. Oh, my arm, sorry. So, just waiting on that turn signal switch to show up. We got everything else done. So, staying on when I close it because there's a gap here. So I need to move the latch in a little to get the door tighter. All right. Out before it's latched. No light coming out. Done. Problem solved.